Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you're still in your beds, get yourself up, wipe the sleep from out of your eyes and get up. Hey, One Truthful Trader, good morning, good morning. 10 a.m. I'm a bit late in the recording. Normally I like to start a bit early, but I can't be at the computer 24/7. Core, give me a day off, please. But as we are here and the date is today, 5th of August, it's a Wednesday, 2020, just in case you're watching this in 10 years time. We are here looking for opportunities to get in and get out and make some money, as the word would say. Where are we? Had a good day yesterday, had a good day on Monday, not too bad. So, yep, my favorites, forex, indices, and commodities. Commodities is oil for me. Indices, mainly most of them. And forex. So, yeah, we're here looking for opportunities. Brent is looking good. It's just broke a psychological level. As you know, I love psychological levels. And I see this just pull back to the psychological level. Let's zoom in just in case you can't see. It broke 500. It's pulled back and it's pushing back again. So yes, I will look at this and WTI. I will look at some forex pairs. I'm waiting for a trend to be developed, and then once I know where we're going and what we're doing, then we shall start getting involved. I hope you're well. I hope your family are well. And I shall be back. Truthful Trader back again. Right, where was I? Just got into oil. WTI. West Texas oil. Why have I got into it? Because it has broke a psychological level. As I said to you before in the last recording, it's retested, starting to push back up. For me, this has the potential to rise and rise and rise and rise. Our next psychological level, I'll get my words out, is 43. And 44,500 is around here somewhere. There we are, give or take. So I'm gonna be greedy today, and I'm gonna, as you know, I like to put my take profit just before the psychological level. It is a long way to go. It's a long way to go. All the way from here to up here is, where are we? Is 224 pips. It's a bit far-fetched for that to happen all in one day, but you never know. Never give up hope. As you can see, my stop loss is just down here, underneath the psychological level. I've got a tight stop on this. If I'm wrong, I want to be out quickly, especially with oil. So fingers crossed. This starts pushing up. As you say, once you're in, and there's nothing you can do about it. I'm either going to lose this much here, or I'm going to gain this much up here. It's 20, I think it's about 25, 30 pip stop. So the ratio is humongous on this, and we'll see. The only way is up, baby, for you and me now. Come on. Get moving, slow coach. Where are you buyers? You buyers, buy this to the moon. Just waiting for the push up. Let's go. Stop holding back. It's only you holding yourself back, oil. No one else. And if you want to go, the sky's the limit. And your sky is right by my take profit. I know it sounds a bit peculiar, that saying, but yes, the sky's the limit right by my take profit. And the sooner you get up there, the better you will be. Let's go. Fly me to the moon. One truthful trader back again. As you followed me on this trade, you follow me from start to finish. You're going to stay with me, I know. You wouldn't dare leave me, I know that. But here we are. She's finally started to lift off like NASA, whatever it is. That rocket. Woo! So, come on, baby. Get yourself up there and don't you dare look back, because there's nothing in the past. Don't you let anything... I'm talking to a candlestick here. I know you think it's quite mad, but I think it's quite normal. You see, you candle, don't you let anything hold you back. Don't you let anybody in this world tell you that you can't do something. And I know you want to go all the way up here. And I believe in you. So does everyone else watching. So you can do it. Have some faith in yourself. Phew. So yes, here we are. Yeah, lovely jubbly. But anything could happen, as you know. It could still turn around, come and touch the stop. It could go up, bounce around. We're still in this. Am I going to take some profit off? No, I'm not yet. I will hold it, and I could be wrong. You might say, oh, I'll take some profit off. But you can't let this market scare you. So I shall just wait and be patient. Tick tock, tick tock. But yeah, we'll keep this up and we'll see how this goes. Yep. 11:18. You are live with me on the... What's the date? I always forget the date. What's wrong with me? 5th of August on a Wednesday, 2020. We are still in this oil trade. I would have taken Brent as well with this, but I didn't. So it's not worth talking about the didn'ts. But we are still here. Can't let this market scare ya. Be strong. Still haven't moved my stop. My take profit, as you know, is still up here. I haven't moved it. We are just waiting for this next psychological level to get, for candlesticks to get close to. And that's what we're waiting for. I will take off some profit once we get around this kind of zone here. Here's my profit taking zone. So I will take off a piece of profit. And as you see, that's where my take profit is on the next one. Now, as you know me, I do not like it to ever hit my take profit. I would rather move my stop and it come back down, because that way I'll be able to squeeze as much points pips out of this market just like a flannel. So if it never hits the take profit and I keep moving the take profit up and keep moving it up, then I will be in this market for as long as possible. And that is a strategy in a way of when people say, let your winners run. That is a perfect way to let your winners run. So yes, I will keep you up to date, but here is where we're at and here is where we are. And yeah, just really staying positive. And no matter what happens, even if it comes back and rolls over, I will choose to stay happy and stay positive no matter what happens. I will be back. One truthful trader back again. Just a quick recording, guys. Still here. I have taken off a large percentage of profit. Not because this market scared me, but because there's a thin line between being scared and being foolish. And yes, you have to make sure you are not foolish, rather than being scared. But anyway, here we are. Yes, I've taken off a large percentage of profit, so profit is bagged. I've also moved my stop into just a little bit above break even. So it didn't get to that zone yet. It's struggling, as you can see, to kind of get away from this 42,618 level. Isn't really doing much. Tried to push up, and then it's just kind of bouncing around here at the moment. So as I saw it bouncing around, I thought I'll take off some profit. So yes, I haven't moved my take. I haven't moved my take profit. That's still just before this cycle.
Untruthful trader back again. Guys, just an update. See where we are. Pushing back into this zone. I've left the zone there. Not touched it at all. Not touched it at all. Here we are. And we are pushing up. Whoa. And we are pushing up to this psychological level, which you know. And if you know me, I absolutely love. Wanting it to get into this zone. And this is where I really wanted to take profit off. Because it was struggling around this area, as you saw in the last video. It has obviously broke this little area. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Has broke this area. As you can see, here it is broke and it's pushed into this zone. This is where I really wanted to take the profit off, just before the psychological level. But I took it off before. I've now moved my stop up again, just underneath this swing here, and the market's pushing up nicely. I believe in this zone it's going to fanny around. Oh dear, look at that, lovely jubbly. I tell you what, we'll candle stop this, just to lock in all the profits and not give anything back to this market. Be as greedy as you can when the time is right. When the time is right. That's the main point. Stop is in place. Obviously I've got it down here. I've obviously taken off a large percentage of the position, just over half, and I've moved my stop up, and now I'm just candle chasing this. So when this candle closes, I will chase it again to the next candle, and hopefully this will go. But it's at a psychological level, and at this point there's many people that take profit, so I believe this will probably roll over and take me out. But let's be positive. That's where the take profit is, and if it starts pushing up there, oh wow, good. Untruthful trader back again. I know. I said goodbye. I know. I missed you. I can't leave you alone. And it's quite funny. It is quite funny, this trade right now, because I'm still in it. Obviously, as you saw, I moved my stop loss to be extremely tight. And I moved it and it didn't come down and hit my stop. In fact, it just shot up and went up to here, which I didn't catch in the recording. So what I'm going to do is, it's a very weird one. I am going to take half my position off, move your stop a bit lower, give it a bit more space, and hopefully it can get up to there. So I'm going to do that right now before it takes me under this figures what I'm on. So I will be back, and I'm back quickly. Took off half my position again, locked in some more profit. As you can see. So yes, pushed through this psychological level. It's broke very comfortably as it goes without any care in the world. As you see this nice, zooming a bit, this nice bullish candle. Yeah, psychological level has been broken and we're pushing further up. It did get up to here, which to my surprise, I didn't think it would do that, to be honest. I thought it was going to come and roll over and fiddle about and hit my stop. So sometimes you are surprised. So yippee!